least 12 people have died from the rainstorm in central China, Henan province. As of Tuesday, the region witnessed its greatest and heaviest rainfall in the past 60 years. This is indeed one of the largest recorded rainstorm in the world in million cities, thanks to the People's Liberation Army that came to the rescue of the people. So far, a lot of people has been rescued from this rainstorm, and thousands has been relocated to a safer environment. Don't forget, you are not alone in this struggle, in this situation. We are here with you in prayers, and we support you in our prayers. In any way you can, try to reach out to people. If you have families in China currently residing in Henan province, try to get in contact with them. This is indeed a hilarious situation, and we hope that people are safe and secured. Notwithstanding, the media and the rescue teams has continued to work tirelessly to discover more people. So we appreciate their effort. We thank them, and we appreciate also the government that have been trying so far to ensure that everybody is sound and safe. As they are rescuing others, we pray that also they won't be a victim. We pray that everybody is safe. So wherever you are, we plead you join the Henan province and join them in prayer. Remember them. Pray that everyone is secured in this current situation. We are here with you, Henan province. We love you. For many of you that hasn't watched the videos of Henan province in the previous days, this is how it was before. Like it was really hectic. Imagine, this is public bus. The hourly rain was so dramatic. Nobody expected it to be this way. So this was the situation previously, some days ago, and this is how it was. Everywhere was filled with water. Cars, people, properties were nowhere to be found, all those things. This were the situation some days ago. At least now, so far, we getting some positive response, and some things have been put in place, and the situation calmed. Oh, it's really a big a big thing, and a lot of loss of properties, life. If you're here to join this amazing family, we encourage you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be the first person to get notified each time we post a new video. Kindly give this video a massive thumb up and comment, like, and share with your friends. Please support this amazing family. We love you. Thank you for always coming back to watch. For the old subscribers, thanks to the new subscribers, we appreciate you. Thanks for encouraging this new channel. Thank you. We love you.